Yeah, so we recently moved into this house and we were having some heating and cooling work done in the second floor and attic of our house. They discovered a hole near our chimney that had clearly been letting in some water. We actually got a recommendation from our realtor whose office recommended Starway. They very swiftly identified what was wrong and told us, the different options for how they could potentially fix it. This wasn't a huge issue, so we didn't think it was going to be that expensive, but you never know, especially being new to an area. In this case, a roof is such a serious problem, right? And so the fact that we had this hole that had been letting in water was really nerve-wracking. And the fact that Starway was so informative and helpful from the beginning through the end of the job, and that it was done within a week, is something that we are really happy with. And the cost was not a major issue as well. Everything was really clearly explained to us.